For today's vlog, I will teach you on how to make an Adams clasp wire bending. Materials needed are number 36 wire, which is about half of ruler, diagnostic cast, hardware wire cutter, bird beak plier, and marker.
Let's start.
Get your wire and cast. To start, bend your wire into an L shape. Next is to mark the second bend.
The mesial and distal cusps serves as the length of our bridge.
Mark the mesial and distal cusps.
Mark the wire just like shown in the video. Next is to bend the wire, forming a U-shape. Make sure that the flat surface of your plier faces upward. U-shape is ready. Place to the cast. If the length of the bridge is aligned to the cusps, then proceed to the next step.
Make sure that the rounded part of the plier faces horizontally.
Bend it downward like shown in the video. Do on the other side. Now we achieved the shape we wanted. You may use any plier to clip the edges of the wire to make it sharper. After that, get a flat edge pliers to bend the wire into a 45 degrees, as shown in the video. Do on the other side. Place it to the cast. If the 45-degree bend that we did was engaged to the undercuts, then proceed to the next procedure. Adjust if necessary. That's the angle that we're looking. Next step is, bend the wire using the thinnest tip of the bird beak plier, as shown in the video. Bend it into a 90 degrees angle facing the palatal surface. Adjust your wire so that it can fit to the anatomy of the tooth, like what I'm doing. Do on the other side. Next is mark the wire between the tooth surface, just like in the video. As you can see, the flat surface of the plier faces downward, so bend also your wire downward. Same goes to the other side. Place again to the cast. If there is an excess wire, you may cut it and form a loop on the sharp edges. I hope you guys learned and enjoy my video tutorial. Just keep on bending. Take your time. I know it's kinda hard. Be patient, we're almost done. I'm just adjusting the wire so that it can fit perfectly to the cast. For the last step, form a loop on the sharp edges. Wait, let me finalize it.
Sure and blurred. Hahaha.
Just kidding. Here is the final result. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Bye.